Hi guys, welcome to the Advent YouTube channel, and this is Nixon. Today we are going to solve a new problem, doubly necklace insertion of given question. And it is from GeeksforGeeks, and it is a doubly necklace problem. It's a common problem, I think so. So initially we'll be given an head of the linked list and the position and then data. We have to create a new node with this data, and then we have to place that particular node after this position integer. For example, in this example they gave just 2 4 5 and they gave the position 2 and they gave the value 6, and we have to note that it is a zero based indexing like arrays. So they just placed the sixth value, the value 6, at the second, it's a third value. They already mentioned that add a new node with value x at the position just after pth node. So they just add after the second node. So this is what we have to do. Yeah, let's start the problem. I'm creating a new node here with data, and now I'm creating a temporary row node which copies head, and then I'm creating count variable. This count variable will take care of the indexing, so it starts from 0. Now I'm going to traverse. This will traverse the complete linked list until the position value. And after this loop will we get the node which is previous to the new node, and then here we have to check whether this temporary node is the last node or any middle node. It's a corner case, it's an important case. Yeah, and here will be get, we have to solve this for the last value, and then and then we have to solve for the middle values. Yeah guys, I think it will work properly. Yeah, let's run. Yeah, you have to place head rough instead of head. Yeah guys. Yes guys, it's successful, and thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to the Advent YouTube channel, and if you had any suggestions, please don't hesitate to comment us.